everyone. This is Zelda.
And Tony, and guess where we are? Where Tony don't want to be.
I know.
The laundromat.
I know he hates being at the
Because
laundromat.
I don't understand all these new laundromat machines
Yes.
pay for hot water. When did you have to pay for hot water? That's just like you going to a filling station, getting air for your tire, and it costs you $1 damn near. You put a little bit of air in your tire. That gets my goat. The rest of it is up to her.
I
She
don't
got me
even know.
started.
I don't even know where I was going with this, so I'm sorry.
That's where we was going.
Yes. So
You go to the laundromat, they charge you twice as much money to wash your clothes. Then they charge you for warm water, hot water, because they said that's a
actually
luxury.
cold,
And you're in a laundromat.
because when you turn the cold dial, you have to pay a quarter more. So
So explain to me, what the hell are you paying for when you go to the laundromat? You're putting money in for to wash your clothes, but yet you can't wash your clothes if you don't pay for the water. I'm just saying.
anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying your Friday because we are enjoying ours. Michael, say hi.
Hi.
Wait, hold up. I look dark.
Hi.
You look dark?
Hi.
Yeah, your hands, Mike.
Hi.
Yeah, show me your hands.
Now I'm playing the game right now. I can't.
Show me your hands. The other hand.
Okay, now
You know how he got
this
that?
is how stuff happens with my son. He burnt my grill up, as you well know. Burnt
and
my
the
chickens
vacuum
up,
cleaner.
as we well know. Then he burnt the vacuum cleaner up, as you well know. Now this is the new. He was out riding his bike, on his phone, texting,
No.
saw a pretty girl, turned her head, crash, ate him alive. The girl said, "Oh, let me go see how he's doing."
And
I
he
said,
jumps
"He's
up.
fine." She said, "Oh, I'm a mother. I need to go check on him." I said, "No, he's fine. Leave him alone. He was looking at you anyway."
And then he came in and said, "Mommy, I know that mommy. You know the moms. Y'all know the mommies and mom." You're like, I was like, "All right, what did you hurt? You fell, right?" "Yeah." And then he showed me his hands. His hands were bleeding. His knees was bleeding. His leg was bleeding, and it was so funny. But he's okay.
Yeah.
But yeah.
The girl was upset because he was looking at her. She's old enough to be his mother,
Yeah, I tell you.
but he was looking at her. She was hot now. She was hot. Sizzling. But my son is after her.
She's hot.
Too young for me.
She was hot.
Yeah, she's hot. She got.
You hear that?
She wear these coochie cutters. I call them. Just where you can see the beaver.
Oh, honey.
Okay. And they tight. And he's looking at that.
All right, gotta go. See you on the next video. Bye. Oh my God.